The Cupra Born doesn't have a trailer hitch. You can't order one when you buy it. This is the original look. MrDotCom has developed a trailer hitch for the Born. This is the delivery after ordering. The look after installation. A small notch is cut into the bumper. Now it is ready for use. The can be swiveled. The trailer hitch is simply inserted into the guide and clicks into place. The trailer hitch can be locked as an anti-theft device. Without the trailer hitch, a cover closes the hole. Appraisals and reports are included for registration. You have to go to an appraiser who will prepare a report. This is then registered at the registration office. The trailer hitch in operation. Consumption is around 3 to 5 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers higher. That's it. Greetings to everyone wherever you are.